Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to make this most trending pinata cake. It's a 3D heart-shaped cake. It's very popular and also called chocolate smash cake. I hope you all will like this recipe. Now let's get started. This is heart-shaped diamond cut pinata mold. It's silicone, it comes with a hammer and it's available online. Ingredients to make pistachio cake. First let's make pistachio cake, then we'll cover this with 3D heart-shaped chocolate. Into a small blender, I'm adding 1/4 cup of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of chopped pistachios, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. We need pistachio powder, so I'm adding plain flour to it to make a fine powder. My 3D heart-shaped mold is small, so I'm making a small cake to fit into it. Pistachio powder is nice and smooth, that's what we need. Now let's keep this aside. Into a bowl, add 1 egg white. Beat this for about 2 minutes or until it's nice and fluffy. Add egg yolk, beat for a minute on high speed. Add 3 tablespoons of icing sugar, also called powdered sugar, and blend again for a minute. To this I'm adding a tablespoon of pistachio butter. This will give a nice green color and flavor to the cake. Blend well for a minute. Add flour mixture in 2 batches and fold well. I'm adding a tablespoon of milk and a tablespoon of oil, unflavored oil. Pour it into a mold. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Our pistachio cake is done. Let it cool down completely. Ingredients for whipped cream frosting. Now let's make whipped cream frosting. This is 1 cup of heavy whipped cream. Whip it for 3 minutes, gradually increase the speed. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. Whip this for a minute or until it's nice and silky. I'm adding a dot of green gel food color. Blend well. Frosting is nice and sturdy when you apply it on the cake. It stays good. When you turn the bowl upside down, it should not fall. I want my cake in layers, so I cut my cake into half. Generously apply some pistachio butter, spread evenly. Lay the cake and cover this with whipped cream frosting. Once you are done, put it in the fridge for 10 minutes to set, so that when you apply it the second time, it will be easy for you to work with. While the cake is in the fridge, let's mold the chocolate. This is 200 grams of white chocolate. You can melt it on a double boiler or in a microwave for 30 seconds. For every 30 seconds, mix well and check for the consistency. First, let's coat strawberry in the chocolate. Hold the leaves and coat well on all sides as shown here. Take out the excess chocolate and put it on a parchment paper. To the remaining chocolate, I'm adding red gel food color to coat the mold. You can use any color of your liking. Since it's a Christmas recipe, I'm using red for the mold and green pistachio cake. Add chocolate to the mold and twirl it. Make sure all the sides are coated really well with the chocolate. You can use a spoon or a spatula to cover the sides. Coat the sides really well so when you remove the chocolate it won't break. Put this in the freezer for 10 minutes. Cake is chilled a bit. Now it's easy for us to smooth our frosting. I put some chopped pistachios all around the cake. You can add any decorations to your cake. And the remaining frosting, I'm adding it on top. Some dried rose petals and buds and chopped pistachios. Add some more chocolate and apply a second layer. Once you are done with this, keep this in the freezer for 10 more minutes. Carefully remove the chocolate from the mold. Stretch all sides and push outwards. It will come out easily. Chocolate mold is so beautiful and smooth. Take the mold and carefully cover the cake. I have put some gold leaf on the mold. You can add some sprinkles, chocolate or any decoration. I have put some gold sprinkle pearls and white chocolate lines on top. Using this small hammer, let's break the mold. You can make this for any occasion and surprise your dear ones. Pistachio cake has come out very well. I'll cut and show you. It's so soft and flavorful. You must give this a try. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.